I have a door. What do you have?
I have an orbital railgun.
I beg your finest fucking pardon?
Can you break your door?
Okay.
Oh, that's...
Can you pull out your ray gun? Frankie? Sounds like a ray gun. Sounds like it.
Yeah, can
Even
you...
though it cannot
Okay,
hear it.
can you open your door?
You just told me to...
That does sound like a door. That does sound like a door.
Can you shoot your ray gun?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Hey, what the? What the? What the? No!
I would suggest running.
My doors are actually effective. Yeah, it's definitely an Anvil.
Yeah, I think you had a door.